Yo guys, welcome back to my channel, Kintu Ninjas, the Ninja Rappers. We're live here with a cooking session of, what's your name?
Trisha.
Trisha, okay. This is Tita Trisha cooking experience, okay? So, what are you doing right now? What are the ingredients? Yes guys, she don't know the ingredients. Oh, that's very good.
It's our first
Okay?
time.
So this is her first time. Are you a virgin on this?
Yeah.
Yeah, what about you? What's your name?
As well. I'm Albi.
So, what is your business doing here?
I'm here to eat food.
Yeah, she's only here to eat, guys, okay? And she's the one who cooks everything, okay? Yeah, that's very delicious. So, are you a cooker at home or what? Do you cook at home? Are you an eater? Okay, that's good. At least you're an eater. That's why this is your first experience.
Yeah.
Wow. So guys, I'm telling you, you should go here, okay? Experience so many things in this place, okay? Like cooking. What else? What else? Do you know how to cook rice? Or puso?
Oh, puso po.
You only eat. So that's how you cook this one. So can you tell us what are your favorite dishes or foods? Okay.
Crab. Yeah, seafood.
Seafoods. Wow. So what else? Are you allergic to what? Shrimps? No. No.
Sardines.
Sardines. Oh come on. That's my favorite. How come you're allergic to sardines? Okay, we have different kinds of allergies, you know. You don't like sardines? Me, I like it. Some others, they don't like shrimps, okay? But me, I like it also. But what I don't like is, you know, the paklay, the,
I don't eat paktay as well.
yeah, I don't eat also the snails, the kinason. Yeah, I don't eat that. But you, it's your favorite. Yeah, ano? Me, I don't like the taste of it. Okay? And some other dishes also. Okay? But my favorite is pizza, hamburger, okay, noodles. I put noodles with chicheria. Okay? So, talking about those kinds of dishes, okay? How come you like those foods? What is beneficial into those foods that you eat? What are the benefits in your body? Does it make you look sexier? Because you know you look sexier or whiter. Does it make your skin white by eating those kinds of foods? Come on, tell us, because maybe the audience can get some idea. Idea that they want to eat something. Because you know you are what you eat. You know they say you are what you eat. For example, you only eat noodles. That's why you look like a noodles. No.
No,
You,
noodles is
you are
not healthy.
skinny, yeah. Huh?
Eating noodles is not healthy for your body.
Actually, I have found out that it's not healthy, but if you mix some other ingredients like kamunggay, yeah,
Koreans are-
egg, and also,
Yeah.
and also,
Especially the chicken one.
yeah, and also ding dong mixed nuts. Okay. Yeah, you try it, ding dong mixed nuts. The black one,
Kind of
the
weird.
20 pesos pouch. You mix it with the noodles, it becomes bigger and a lot tastier, okay? Plus you mix with the egg and also the kamunggay,
Might try it.
yeah, nutritious, okay? That's how I do it because you know they say if you eat a lot of noodles, it's not good for the body or the health, okay?
Yeah.
That's why you need to mix other ingredients, okay? That's how they make noodles. You watch my video, okay? Noodles with chicheria.
Definitely.
Yeah, you can put a lot of things there, okay?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna be singing a song to you, okay? This is one of my compositions. Okay, hope you like this. You're as pretty as a picture painted in my mind. Can get away with thinking I have only for your smile. You're my angel in disguise when I look into your eyes, yo. Everything's gonna be alright. Every time I saw you looking back at me. Keep it up, keep it up, keep it up, baby. Keep it up, keep it up, keep it up to me. Keep it up, keep it up, keep it up, baby. All I want is your love and your TLC, yo. How can I tell you what I feel deep inside? Like a star-closed love staring at the moonlight. Head over heels about you. Kicking the heels, I just can't get enough of you. You know, I love that sure is what I found in you. Keep it up, keep it up, keep it up, baby. Keep it up, keep it up, keep it up to me. All I want is your love and your TLC, yo. So that's my composition. It's gonna be in my album, and I have a lot of songs, okay? Later on, you watch out for my concerts, okay? And also a lot of things happening, okay? And I'll be traveling around the world later, later, okay? So thank you so much for the video, okay? And also, are you single, available? Huh? Yeah,
Already taken.
you're taken, okay. What about you?
Hey.
You're the same. Are you two together? I know, okay.
We're best friends.
Your best friends, okay. Because there are some girls who like girls, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nothing's wrong about that.
Yeah, nothing wrong. It's just we are now in the 21st, 22nd century.
Correct.
Okay, so a lot of things happening in the world right now, changes, okay, updates. So
Can I
many.
see? Can I see?
Yes,
Oh, okay.
you're here. This is live. I'm just making it at least for 30 minutes or more. Okay, just to lengthen the video. Okay. I need longer videos later on. Okay, so that's why I'm gonna be having concerts. Okay, just watch out for that and so many other talent. Okay, I'm gonna show to you. Okay? Thank you so much for all these things. Okay, and for sharing to us the greatest experience of a lifetime. How to cook this one? What do you call this?
Tusla buwa.
Okay, so that's the name. How come it's like that?
Because you just don't.
Okay, you dip it and then, yeah, okay. Before I don't know about these things.
Yeah.
I only know nguyong pongko-pongko. Yeah, back in the days when I was in college. Okay, so where do you go to school? Do you go to school or you stay at home?
No. We are actually fourth year college.
Really?
This is
What are your courses?
tourism.
Me, you wanna ask my course?
What's your course?
Inner course. Just kidding. Engineering. Okay, but inner course is very awesome course also. You wanna experience that? Okay. Well, thank you so much for everything, and keep on locking with us. This is the King 2 Ninjas, the Ninja Rappers, live via the satellite. Okay, wave, show your greatest smile. I think they will be falling in love with you. And also to you, huh? You have a lot of fans already. Thank you very much, and have a great day. We are the King 2 Ninjas.